Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea or your double shot, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. If you want to stick around and see some more, turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. We're diving right in. I'm going to be getting into my little Sephora order today. And before we dive in, I mention this pretty frequently with kind of standard unboxings, if you will, but I always use these little guard your ID. I'm not sponsored. They don't know I exist. I've just purchased these for years. But I use this, as you can see, my address is covered and Sephora's is not, but it's this very inexpensive little contraption. It's just a little ink thing. And the preface is that you can hide your address and stuff like that and have privacy. I see a lot when I watch unboxings, people are trying to tape up, they've torn the box, they're trying to cover up or blur out their address. So I just like it if you are somebody that does videos and stuff like that, or even just for credit card things and bank, statements and stuff like that. I just like to mention it every once in a while. As you can see, it is still sealed, so I'm going to grab my scissors and we're going to dive in. If you are not new here, then you know that Mama's on a no-buy. But there was one particular item that came out that I knew I wanted to get, so I was kind of holding out to see if there was something else I'd like, and then there was. So we had to break out the Sephora card, occasionally we have to break the no-buy, and that's just fine. All right, first up, if you know, you know, and you know my preferences. When I saw this, I knew I wanted to have it. That was kind of the whole preface of me buying this. It's the new Kosas Glow IV Vitamin Infused Skin Enhancer. I'm so excited. I did get Sheer Light Medium Champagne. I hope that it works out for me. I will definitely be testing this very soon. And I also want to test it up against my e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I'm excited. I want to kind of see what it looks like, but I don't want to cheat too much. I don't want to swatch it or anything like that, because obviously when I test this, I want to test it, in real time and stuff like that. So that is what the component looks like. It looks very, very glowy and a little dark, which with a tint, we can kind of sheer them out. So I'm hoping that this is going to work for me. I cannot tell you how excited I am. This is a clean vitamin infused skin enhancer that instantly activates a lit up glow. And then glow wherever you feel. Create a beautiful base, highlight targeted areas, mix with foundation or skincare. It is reflective, visibly healthier skin, a hint of tint, daily dose of skin nutrients. So excited. So excited. Then I saw this. Now, did I need this? No. Did I need any of this? No. Do you need any of this? No. But this is the brand new Kaja, the Jelly Charm Lip and Blush Glazed Keychain Stain. I got the shade Peach Fizz. I really like Kaja. I haven't tried a whole lot from them, but what I have tried, I've really liked. And yes, this is kind of cute and kitschy, which is kind of my vibe. Let's just be real. But I like the idea of having kind of a monochromatic moment, kind of like with the Ilia tint, where I can use it on my lips and my cheeks, and that's what I'm hoping to get from this. So it has the little component, super cute, and you can see it's kind of like this burnty, orangey, peachy shade. Oh, obsessed. And then the cute little keychain. Am I going to put this on my keychain? No. Probably not. It's just going to go into my collection. But I love the idea, especially for a monochromatic moment, of having something like this. So very excited about that. I don't know if you guys remember, a few months back, I tested out a Westman Atelier little sampler card that had the contour, a blush, and a highlight, and I was blown away. Even just using like the little pod sample, I was blown away by this. And this is their Westman Atelier Petite Face Trace Contour Stick in the shade Biscuit, which is the same shade that I tried. This teeny tiny little boy right here was like $25, but I've been waiting to try this and I am not upset at all. And if it performs the same as the little sample did, then I think I'm going to be obsessed. And I've actually been on the hunt for a true contour shade. So that is what it looks like. Also, we'll be testing this for you guys in an upcoming video. Then I saw this and I was like, I like to get, more bang for my buck. Y'all know this. And they dropped a new Sephora favorites. I love these. I love these, you guys. But it is the brand new Perfect Pout Lip Set. This was $28. I did also have $10 off for like, they're my points or whatever. I save them and don't shop the rewards thing all the time. And I turn in the $10. So I'm super excited to get into this as well whenever we do our little try on. My two little samples I got this time were the Lancome Advanced Generique. This is not actually what I asked for, so I don't know why I got it, but it is what it is. And then the Tom Ford Rose Prick Eau de Parfum. I still can't smell, so don't know why I got that either. Next up, I got one of these, and I actually paid $25 for it, and I'm obsessed. Love it. It is perfection. But it's the Give by Gwen Stefani, the original Minis lip kit, and this was $25, but it was 50% off. So even though I already have this, I wanted to get this just to be able to like put in a giveaway or something like that. And I do raffles and stuff in my Facebook group, things like that. So I just, for $12, I was like, girl, I got to have this. It's phenomenal, phenomenal pricing. I also saw this. It is the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice Second Slice. That is a mouthful and a half. And this was also on clearance for $27, and then on clearance again for like $13.50. So I got two of these, one for myself, and then again one to put into like a raffle, a giveaway, something like that. I have a love-hate relationship with Too Faced. I love some of their products, and then some of their products are meh. So I have not tested a palette in a very long time from them, so I'm very intrigued. If you picked this up during that sale, let me know. Also, I apologize about the lighting. I'm just gonna say that it's like romantic, moody lighting. It's nighttime, if you can't tell. And then I got this bad boy right here. I actually got one of these like after Christmas when they had done a sale, and I have not tested it yet. I'm going to if you guys still want to see it. But it's the Pat McGrath, the Mothership Mega Celestial Nirvana. I also got this because I want to do a raffle or something with this particular palette. I will go ahead and open this. I want to open it and just make sure that it's not broken or anything. Packaging, 10 out of 10, gorgeous. It actually has some substantial weight to it, which I really like. Oh, it's so pretty. I got rid of the holiday collection. This is the one that's from this year. And every year they drop the ones that are like this. The one that I got last year, I did declutter solely because of the layout, and I wasn't super impressed by, you know, the layout, and I knew I wasn't going to use the colors. This one, I feel like I would get way more use out of. Oh, that is so beautiful. I'm excited. So if you want to see a look, let me know. I will definitely be testing out some of the lip products. We're going to be testing out this. I want you guys to see this bad boy in action, and I want to test it kind of from the actual component, and I'm so excited. This is literally, I'm so excited about this. I'm also wondering, this was like $38, $36-ish dollars, and of course the e.l.f.'s like $14, and I use that pretty much daily, every time I do my makeup. So I'm intrigued to see if there is a difference, and did I waste my money, and should I stick to the $14 e.l.f. one? That's it, beauties. Comment down below what your thoughts are. Are any of these on your wish list? Do you want to see any of these in action? Let's have that conversation. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.